Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Adalo to build a mobile MVP detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Adalo account. Once logged in, create a new project. Choose the mobile app template to begin your mobile MVP. Name your project and select the appropriate category that fits your MVP idea. After the project opens, familiarize yourself with the Adalo interface. On the left menu, you will see options for screens, components, databases, and design. First, let's set up the database. Click on the Databases tab on the left menu. Add a new collection by clicking the +Add Collection button. Name the collection based on the data you need for your MVP. Define the properties for the collection, such as name, description, or relevant fields. After creating the collection, return to the Screens tab. Create a new screen by clicking +Add Screen. Once you have your screen, drag and drop components from the left menu. Choose components like text, images, buttons, or lists that your app needs. For each component, customize its properties to match your branding and functionality. Next, connect your components to the database. Select a component, then find the link option in the Properties panel. Choose the database collection you created earlier to connect the data. Now, let's set up user authentication if needed. Go back to the left menu and click on User under the Databases section. Add properties to your user collection, like email and password. Return to your screens and create a login screen using the same steps as before. Add form components for users to enter their credentials. Next, set up actions for the Login button. Select the Login button component and find that Actions tab in the Properties panel. Choose the login action and connect it to the user collection. Test the login functionality by previewing your app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.